Welcome to the future of travel and adventure. Today, we're unveiling the brand new 2026 Skuda Truck Motorhome, a bold fusion of power, luxury, and innovation on wheels. Whether you're hitting the open highways, exploring off-road terrains, or seeking the ultimate home away from home, the Skuda Motorhome is designed to redefine the way we live, work, and travel. Chapter 1: Exterior Design. The 2026 Skuda Truck Motorhome boasts a commanding road presence. Built on Skuda's next-gen truck chassis, it features aerodynamic curves, futuristic LED lighting, and a modular design that allows for expanded living space at the push of a button. Strong yet stylish, it's built for adventure seekers and luxury travelers alike. Chapter 2: Engine and Performance. Under the hood, the Skuda Motorhome comes with a 4.2-liter twin-turbo hybrid diesel-electric powertrain, delivering 520 horsepower and 1,100 Nm of torque. With intelligent all-wheel drive, adaptive suspension, and an eco-friendly hybrid mode, it balances raw strength with fuel efficiency, making long-distance travel more sustainable. Chapter 3: Interior and Living Space. Step inside and you'll find a smart luxury apartment on wheels. The Skuda Motorhome offers a fully furnished living room, expandable modular kitchen, queen-size bed, and a smart bathroom system with water recycling technology. Large panoramic windows, voice-controlled lighting, and integrated climate control make every journey feel like first-class living. Chapter 4: Technology and Smart Features. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a mobile smart home. Equipped with a 48-inch rotating OLED infotainment hub, 5G internet connectivity, satellite navigation, and AI-powered driving assistance, the Skuda Motorhome ensures safety and convenience on every trip. Plus, solar roof panels and an onboard battery pack provide sustainable off-grid living. Chapter 5: Safety and Off-Road Capability. Safety is a priority. The Skuda Motorhome features adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and off-road traction systems. Whether on highways or rocky trails, you'll always feel secure. Chapter 6: Price and Availability. The 2026 Skuda Truck Motorhome will launch globally in late 2025, with a starting price of $185,000. Optional premium luxury packages push the price up to $240,000. Pre-orders open soon, and adventurers worldwide are already lining up. The Skuda Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's transformation. A life on wheels, where the road becomes your home. Are you ready to embrace the future of travel? If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest uploads.